Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Galaxy on PC Easy Guide. Start by installing a trusted emulator, then add your game image to the emulator library and configure basic settings. Map controller buttons for movement, jumping, and special actions, and test inputs in a short session. Tweak graphics options for smooth performance and create a backup of your save files to avoid losing progress. Let me walk you through control mapping and camera choices so your play feels natural and responsive. Choose a gamepad if possible, then map jump, spin, and attack to comfortable buttons, and assign camera motion to the right stick or triggers. Adjust sensitivity until Mario turns smoothly without feeling floaty. Save your control profile so you can restore it quickly if you tweak settings or move to another PC. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, as it really helps support us and keeps these easy tutorials coming. Quick recommendation: I love this book, The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and save you time and stress while gaming responsibly. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick up a copy. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll optimize performance so frame rate stays stable and gorgeous galaxies render smoothly. Start by reducing resolution or texture quality if stutters appear, and enable VSync or a frame limit to cut tearing. Allocate more CPU priority to the emulator, close demanding background apps, and use post-processing sparingly. Periodically update emulator builds for fixes, and test settings in short plays to find the best balance between visuals and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.